The PETKIT Purobot Max Pro features an advanced artificial intelligence camera with a 210-degree wide angle and infrared night vision, allowing pet owners to monitor their cat's health in real time through a convenient application. Its innovative no-touch semi-automatic bag sealing design ensures a clean and hygienic experience by eliminating direct contact with cat waste and providing up to 17 days of scooping freedom for a single cat. The efficient triple odor removal system effectively seals odors within the litter box, ensuring a fresh and pleasant environment even when standing nearby. Safety is a priority with the xSecure system, which includes high-precision sensors that halt operation when pets are nearby and an anti-pinch structure to prevent accidental entrapment. The anti-leakage design with a 360-degree sealed base and waterproof Oxford fabric mats ensures ease of cleaning and maintenance while preventing messes. For optimal performance, it is recommended to place the PETKIT Purobot Max Pro on a flat surface away from carpets and mats to avoid sensor interference.